Here are the details in detailing. And this is a BMW M5 with a natural-aspired V10 engine. Although the car was taken care of, belonging to the same owner from more than 18 years, we sanded some repainted body panels in order to match the texture of the original paint that has been polished to perfection. Regarding the interior, our team made sure to clean and protect all the elements, also polishing the plastic and wooden trims. Damaged rubber-coated plastic had been repainted in order to make it look like new again. After becoming one of the safest countries in Europe, there is no need for this anymore. In order to keep the car looking great for a long time, we applied Nanolex SI 3D Max ceramic coating on rims and all bodywork parts. To keep in touch with our upcoming projects, follow DYC Garage channels on social media.